On today's episode, we are going to take a look at one of the e-commerce giants. They recently reported earnings and they were down about 6% from there. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, and follow me on Twitch where I take a look at stocks you want me to look at. So let's get started. So on today's episode, we are going to take a look at Shopify, an e-commerce giant. This is ticker SHOP. Right now, it has a market cap of about $168 billion. And since reporting earnings, this stock is down about 5.4%. So for those that are not familiar with Shopify, it allows you to use one platform to have every channel and any device for your storefront. You can either have an online store through Shopify, brick and mortar, Amazon store, Facebook store, pop-up store, and more as this company continues to integrate with other platforms as well. Shopify also does everything from payments. They also do capital if you're looking for a loan, marketing, analytics, apps, inventory and fulfillment, order management, and shipping. So they're the one-stop shop for everything if you're running a business. Shopify is the number 2 market shareholder in the e-commerce space, coming in at 8.6%, more than Walmart, only being beaten by Amazon, which is the giant owning about 39% of the space. Company has also seen strong revenue growth for the past year. In 2020, they grew a total of 86%. In 2019, 47%. In 18, 59%. In 17, 73%. So strong compounded annual growth rate. This most recent quarter, which was quarter 4 of 2020, they grew 94% compared to the same time last year, making up $977 million, almost reaching that $1 billion revenue. The revenue breakdown is pretty much in 2 markets: merchant solutions, so this is how Shopify helps other companies enter different markets, or they also have a subscription solution which makes up a smaller portion of that total revenue. For e-commerce market, this is one of my favorite metrics to look at, and that's GMV, gross merchandise volume. That kind of shows how many products or how much products in theory is being sold through this platform. In 2020, it was about 120 billion, and that was up 96% compared to the same time last year. For this most recent quarter, it was $41 billion. So it was a huge holiday season for them. It was up 99% compared to the same time last year. We're also seeing as their revenue is increasing, their overall expenses are decreasing. Their total operation expenses are now about 39% of their total revenue for 2020, where in 2016 it made up 57% of their total revenue. So before we go any further, I want to thank the Motley for sponsoring this video, and keep listening to hear this great offer we have for the community. The Motley is a company that provides investing insights and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You guys know I love finding new investing tools and resources to help me scout out the latest market trends and growth stocks. And right now I have a discount for one of my favorite services, the Fool offers. Through the Motley's Fool Stock Advisor service, you get access to a ton of expert stock picks. Every month, you get 2 new picks that are aimed at growing your wealth and to help you realize your financial goals. As of February 18th of 2021, Stock Advisor average stock picks have returned over 605%. If growing your money is something you'd like to do more of this year, you can visit fool.com/Jose Najarro or click on the link below and decide if the Stock Advisor is right for you. Thanks again to the Motley Fool. Now on to today's point. If we take a quick look at total cash and quick marketable securities that this company has, it's over $6 billion. And if we take a look at their long-term debt, they only have about $758 million. And total liabilities for this company is less than $1.5 billion. So this company has plenty of cash at hand compared to debt. If we take a look at their cash flow from operating activities, it's also growing strong levels compared to the same time, and it is positive. So now my thoughts on Shopify. Shopify had a great earnings in my opinion. Historically, still being a strong revenue growth. It has positive cash flow from operations. It has a strong balance sheet, and it's in the market that many believe it's still in its early stages, the e-commerce market. At the moment, I don't own Shopify, but the more I read into it, the more excited I get about it, and maybe in the next few days, maybe in the next few weeks, that might change. I do believe one of the major risks that people might believe of Shopify is that it's gone up so much in the past year, over 150%. But like always, I'm not here to try to time the market. I'm here searching for some great companies. So let me know, what are your thoughts on Shopify? Are you a current holder right now, or are you just waiting for some form of pullback? Take care, have a good night, and see you next time.